and the DCC is here, I want to urge the chairman of Syokimau Residents Association to equally avail himself with the leadership of Syokimau tomorrow at the same time, Governor's office at 11 o'clock.
Very good.
Number 3, the residents themselves here, they have confirmed to us that they are coming together, they will pull resources together, and I hear clear that they start doing a perimeter wall without any objection from nobody.
Here, here.
Anybody with any query as to that, kindly do a written submission to the governor of the county government of Machakos.
Very good.
Thank you.
Number 4,